Motherfucking Pog Boy. Pog Boy. Pog Boy. Pog
Never had shit but a hope and a dream. Off the O state, I was only 18. Blessed with this innate feeling I had to make it. Acting cold in the winter, don't get stripped naked. Together grew up through the grins and the grim. Then Brian blew up and hit his head on the rim. Biggest lick to date, 100 million. And we no longer feared those glass ceilings. And they off the games, private planes and foreign whips. NCAA won't let me have shit. Red shirted too, so a nigga gotta sit. Smoking since 13, now a nigga gotta quit. Stress reverting me to doing dirt and hitting licks. So it's AO down in Florida, 1,000 a trip. He had a hell of a plug, it's 10,000 a flip. LeBron inspired me and Jeezy gave me a kick. I lead a club by 3, Minaj by 5. Half-hour rest and be at practice by 6. And Tresso, he ain't like it. Just doing it like I'm the one who signed with Nike. Speak of the devil and he will appear. Speak only truth and let your words be clear. So I profess from my mouth to God's ears. Illuminate the path or forgive me for my fears. This been going on the last 26 years. See it in my heart, hardened by the tears. Papa said your talent's just important as your team. And nothing come to a sleeper but a dream. So I'm up smoking, drinking soda, popping no-dos. Cause life just ain't the same if you don't make a quota. I will never front, give you who I am. 100% truth, ain't stepped on the gram. Life give you limits, tell them that Patron, it don't kill you then you stronger. Drink it till it's gone, I know you couldn't see it mama, but I could. We both would rather have it different if we coulda. But statements like that usually end in shoulda. But the kids still wave when your son pull up. Money getting stronger, still working on his pull-ups. Soul took longer, now it's budding like a tulip. Everything about me astounding. Listen to my words, you'll hear my heart pounding. This is who I am, you can adverb and noun me. All I really ask, you just leave me how you found me.